bound to UK with Saudiya. Ito yung first aircraft kong sinakyan going to Jeddah. At ang ganda ng view. Ulap lang yung makikita mo, guys. Wala ka talaga maganda makikita kasi ulap lang. These are the freebies na binibigay nila. Earplugs, toothbrush, socks, eye mask. Sa ibang airlines, hindi sila nagpo-provide ng ganito. It's actually my first flying with Saudiya. And I love it. Madaming freebie. First meal, chicken binagoongan with pudding. I don't know what it's called, but matamis siya. Nabusog ako kasi may rice. And this is my second. This is egg omelette with fruit and yogurt. And they also provide drinks of your choice. Finally, I landed at Jeddah after 10 hours, almost 11 hours of flight. And I'll be staying here for 3 hours. Guys, ang hirap palang mag-video pag mag-isa ka lang tapos ang dami mong dala at hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. So, eto na. Let's flying to the UK, back to Saudiya aircraft. And of course, here's what we can see. All of the clouds. And I look haggard na. Of course, nagutom na tayo. Kumain na ulit. I don't know what it's called, but this is the options that I have chosen. Masarap naman. Busog. Ang dami, oh. Ang dami niya, sobra. And of course, i-video ulit natin ang baba. I think we are already in the European Union at this time. I just can't remember which country, but I love the land, seeing the land, the greenery, and kukunti lang yung ulap kaya binidyo ko na. So, with my experience with Saudiya, I've chose Saudiya because they allowed 2 check-ins for 23 kilograms each. As compared to other airlines, they only allow 1 check-in luggage, and that's for 30 kilograms, and you have to pay extra per kilo. This is my last meal with Saudiya before we land. So this footage is paland na kami in a couple of minutes. So you will see masyadong makapal yung ulap and there's a lot of turbulence. Actually, madami ako na-experience multiple times in turbulence during my flight. So my flight lasted for 20 hours including the layover if I'm not mistaken. Pero it's still, I had a good experience naman. Medyo kinakabahan lang ako. Ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo ang view until we land to the land of the UK. By the way, I'm landing to Manchester Airlines in a couple of minutes. Enjoy the view! Finally, I'm here! At nakita nyo naman guys kung gaano ako hirap na hirap sa luggage na dala ko. At hindi niya talaga ako sinundo. Hintay niya ako dyan. Oh, grabe diba? Ang bigat kaya. But I'm so happy to see him.